Good morning, students. I hope you all well at home by the God's grace. Today in our online video class, we are going to learn exercise number 2.1 in chapter 2 measurements. Watch the video carefully without any distractions till the end and learn everything thoroughly without any mistakes. Let us start to learn exercise number 2.1. Question number 5. The diameter of the bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meter. Find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. From the question, the given diameter D is equal to 1.4 meter. They are asking us to find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. Here we should know one thing, that the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation is equal to circumference of the wheel in one rotation. We know that the formula for finding the circumference of the circle is equal to pi into d units. Here 22 by 7 is the value of pi and 1.4 meter is the value of d. By simplifying 1.4 by 7 we get 0.2 times, which is equal to 22 into 0.2 meter, which is equal to 4.4 meter. This value is the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. To find the distance covered by the wheel in 150 rotation, we should multiply this value by 150. Therefore, the distance covered by the wheel in 150 rotations is equal to 4.4 meter into 150. By multiplying 4.4 into 150, we get 660.0 meter. It can be written as 660 meter, which is the required distance covered by the wheel in 150 rotations. Question number 6. A ground is in the form of a circle whose diameter is 350 meter. An athlete makes 4 revolutions. Find the distance covered by the athlete. From the question, the given diameter is 350 meter. And we know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here we can say that 1 revolution is equal to circumference of the ground. Also from the question we can say that the ground is in the form of a circle. So we can use the formula of a circumference of the circle here to find the circumference of the ground. Here the formula for finding circumference is equal to pi into d units. 22 by 7 is the value of pi and 350 meter is the value of diameter. By simplifying 350 by 7 we get 50 times. By multiplying 22 by 50 we get 1100 meter. This is the value of the length of the circumference of the ground in one revolution. To find the distance covered in 4 revolutions, we should multiply this value by 4. Therefore, for finding the distance for 4 revolutions, we should multiply 1100 by 4. By multiplying 1100 by 4, we get 4400 meter, which is the required distance covered by the athlete for 4 revolutions. Next, question number 7. A wire of length 1320 cm is made into a circular frames of radius 7 cm each. How many frames can be made? By the question, the total length of the wire is equal to 1320 cm. The radius of each circular frame is equal to 7 cm. For finding the number of frames can be made, we should find the circumference of the circular frame of radius 7 cm. We know that the formula for finding the circumference of the circular frame is 2 pi r units. 22 by 7 is the value of pi, we know that, and the given radius is 7 cm. Here we can cancel 7 by 7, we get 2 into 22 cm, which is equal to 44 cm. 44 cm is the length of the circumference of one circular frame. Therefore, the number of frames can be made is equal to total length of the wire divided by circumference of one frame. Which is equal to 1320 centimeter divided by 44 centimeter. By dividing 1320 by 44, we get 3 44s are 132. So 30 44s are 1320. Therefore, by dividing 1320 by 44, we get 30, which is the required number of frames that can be made with the length of 1320. Next, question number 8. A rose garden is in the form of circle of radius 63 meter. The gardener wants to fence it at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. Find the cost of fencing. By the question, the given radius of rose garden is equal to 63 meter, and we know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. And we know that the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r units. For finding the cost of fencing, we should find the circumference of the circular garden by using this formula. By using the values of pi and r in this equation, we get 2 into 22 by 7 is the value of pi, and 63 meter is the value of radius of the circular garden. By simplifying 63 by 7, we get 9 times. Then we get 44 into 9. By multiplying 22 by 2, we get 44. With this 9, we should multiply. By multiplying 44 by 9, we get 4 9s are 36. Again 4 9s are 36. In total 396. Therefore, by multiplying 44 by 9, we get 396 meter, which is the total length of the circumference of the circular garden. Now we are going to find the cost of fencing for this 396 meter. For that, from the question, the given cost of fencing for 1 meter is equal to rupees 150. Therefore, the cost of fencing for 396 meter is equal to rupees 150 into 396, which is equal to rupees 59,400. which is the required cost of fencing for the circular rose garden of 396 meter. Okay students, this is the time for our assignment. Do the assignment given in your classwork notebook and send the images to the class group. To get the better practice, do the answers for the questions given in your textbook frequently. With this end, we have come to conclude this session. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.